Here I'm going to compare the sizes with some other dash cameras from the same range, which uses also Novatec NT96650 processor and Aptina AR0330 CMOS sensor. So here is RX300, here is GT680W. The size, overall appearance, it's let's say exactly the same size. I would say it's just a difference of the lens surrounding here on RX300 is much smaller, as you can see. Other than that, display size and overall appearance is the same. Also, I would say mounting bracket, the distance between suction part and the body of dash camera, it's nearly the same, maybe a few millimeters. The RX300 stays lower. Why need lower? It's all about how much the dash camera will sticks out from the mount, below the mount, compared to some other models. For example, okay, the suction cup mount is just a little bit, let's say 1 centimeter higher. So this is the LS650W. The size, as you can see, bigger, thicker slightly, and the bracket mount is it's about half centimeter or 5 mil higher than this one. And G1WC, this is with the capacitor, the same story, like that, slightly higher but not much. The overall size, as you can see, compare them like that. And let's look how it can be mounted behind the rear mirror, which is my favorite place I mount dash cameras. So as you can see, if windshield runs like that, with this type of low profile, I call them mount or brackets, it can be positioned the way that it will be hidden behind the rear mirror. So like that. Of course, many cars, they have in front the rear mirror sunshade, like in this kind of shape. It's that dotted area. It's just a sample, and many suction cups don't stick good to that area. I haven't yet tested it. I had in the past few good ones, like this type, which hold, but many of them doesn't hold, they fall down. But in this case, you can buy special plastic ring, the adapter ring with double-sided tape, which sticks onto the windshield, or in this case to the dotted area, sunshade area, and then you can mount suction mount or brackets to that area easily with the good strong hold. So they don't cost much, maybe a couple of dollars plus shipping. That's it.